Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be attempting to fix my steering play. So as you can see right here, we have a little bit of play in the steering, and I'm going to see if it is just the two screws that are under the steering column. This might not fix the problem, but I'm going to try it. We are going to be taking the top of the steering column off with just a flathead screwdriver, so let's do it. Just going to flatten it out. Oh yeah, there will be another video on my Neon head unit that I absolutely love. It was the best, basically the best $269 I've ever spent on a vehicle. But anyways, back to this. Let's go ahead and get this off. Alright, so now that this is off, you can see under here, other than the fact that it's dirty, and I'm going to get my phone flashlight because you probably can't see. So, you have one screw right here. You have two screws that are on the actual, I don't know the specific name of this, so don't roast me, steering column sort of connector part. Believe you can tighten this just a little tiny bit and it should fix some of it. Other than that, we can tighten up both screws on the back. There's one on each side, but they are backed by plastic, so just be careful. I don't want anyone breaking anything. You just turned my steering wheel, so I need to start my truck. Just gonna move a little bit, just so we get the screw out. Alright, here we go. Steering play is actually already getting better. I don't know if you can actually even see what's going on. I'm just trying to get my flashlight so you can see. Alright, so as you can see, this is one of the screws that I'm tightening. There's one on each side. So there you go. Sorry, it's just too dark. You literally physically can't see, and I don't have a flashlight on my head. So I just don't want to over tighten it, so I'm going to go ahead and turn my steering the opposite direction, which over here is actually the other screw. So let's go ahead and tighten this one. It's pretty tight. Wow, I'm actually pretty impressed. Just want to double check again. Now remember, just don't over tighten these. I don't want to be responsible for anything getting broken. Wow. Alright, that one had a little bit in it. Alright, so obviously you can see I just adjusted all three screws. The top one I don't think really did anything, so I'm just leaving that alone, but I did the other two on the steering column itself, if that's what it's called. I just don't want to be wrong. But I'm going to take this for a test drive, so I will update you guys in a couple of minutes. Alright guys, so first test drive with this. There really isn't any play at all. This actually feels pretty factory. There might be a little bit, obviously, since my truck is lifted and so on and so forth. But basically, this took a matter of what, 3-4 minutes, and my steering is essentially fixed. So that is awesome. Hopefully, I can help someone out there who's having this problem, because there will be a lot of dealerships and mechanics saying, "Oh, well, you need to replace like your idler arm and your whole steering box and everything like that." And in many cases, that is not the case. So I want to help save some money and some time out there. So with that being said, thank you for watching this video. take care and have a nice day. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm trying to make a lot of videos coming up with both my twin turbo 350Z and my truck. So thank you, take care and have a nice day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.